I'm excited. I'm excited to share my new workflow. So here is a inverted head and shoulders. Here's a shoulder, head, and a shoulder here. And we're gonna, maybe that's the shoulder. We're gonna hook that up. So we're gonna draw the neckline, which is this one, and just call it neckline. Then we gotta do fib time to find when the trade is gonna expire. I mean, it could do there to here, say. The trade's gonna expire around here on Thursday next week. So we put a little vertical bar there. We call it trade. The names are important. Trade expiry. Because the whole system just looks for these names. With the neckline, I need to get a retest line, so I'm gonna drag it. Goes control down. Already that's enough for a retest. Retest. And then we've got to put the fib from the head to see how much target we can make. It's 72,599. So now we're all set up. You see there's no alerts for this currency setup. So we don't want to skip retest. We want to do the whole thing. So this, I've missed a too low. So good for me. So we'll put a vertical horizontal bar here. Say too low, we'll call it. So if the price goes down there, we want to cancel out of the trade anyway. And now create everything. And it should just create the alerts here. Boom. Should create 5. So here we've got too low. And if we look at the contents of that alert, it'll say it'll veto this trade if the price goes, if that bar gets hit. So it's hooked it to that bar, even though we can't see it here, it is hooked to that bar. So, and it's created everything. Got the too low, trade expiry, break and close, retest, and enter the trade. And you'll see that the take profit should be 72,599. And we will see here the take profit is absolute 72,599 because it's just read it straight from TradingView. So this is my new way of making money. So I'm just going to go through all the trades, all the instruments, find the trades I want, and then let my trading system take care of the rest. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. It's still on demo account, so I'm not doing real money yet. Bye.